I did not choose the life of being a competitive singer, but then it chose me.
We reached something hanggang ina-dream lang namon sa una.
You guys are driven. Okay, before anything else, thank you so much for giving me the chance to have an interview. We've been meeting, we've been doing events together for quite a while. But this time, iba different, ano na, iba ng ating level ngayon because you just got back from Manila. And okay, but before anything else, maybe you can tell our viewers more about yourselves first, individually and then as a group or as a team.
Alright, so my name is Guy. I'm the frontman and the vocalist of Driven. So, ayun, ano ba? Ano bang something special? Siguro what I can say is that besides being a musician, there are things that I really fight for dire, and you will know that sa mga further tapings pagid that you can see sa Amon competition nag-enjoy nan, and at the same time sa Phil's Cup. So, ayun, I've been singing ever since I was grade 6 ata. And then I did not choose the life of being a competitive singer, but then it chose me. Until amo na I've had the band, and yun, we've met along the way. And apparently, parehas kami sang work ethics. That's why to medyo nag-jive gidamon synergy. And yeah, that's about it. Kung about me, I think I'm an open book eh. Like, everyone who knows me, kumbaga wala filter, dumana. So like, they know me, kid. So, ayun.
Okay, thank you.
So, subong. Wala lang. So, ako gali si Jazz.
Okay.
Spelled with double X, like JAXXX. And currently the co-composer of Driven. And at the same time, ako ang produce usually sa mga tracks naman. And currently also the lead guitarist of our band. Little background sa ako na self naman is I had the passion of music since I was like 5 or 6 years old.
Okay.
Tapos, yes, apparently, same path man kay Sky. Apparently, I didn't choose to be a musician, but
It chose you.
also along the way, kahit paano, it chose me. And then, up to now, sa na-meet ko si Sky, kumbaga, we broke each other's boundaries up to the point nga kumbaga, we reached something hanggang ina-dream lang namon sa una at a very, in a very fast rate actually. It's a very fast. So muna, so ari kami di subong so to share our journey sa amon nga sa amon nga passion.
Where you had invitations going to Manila, you had 2 events, and these are the Phil's Cup events, and what's the other one?
Your Song of Excellence by Taiwan Excellence.
Okay, so tell us about your Song of Excellence by Taiwan of Excellence, briefly.
Okay, so Your Song of Excellence, ara na siya sa iyang 4th season. They started as a singing competition sang pandemic, and then nag-evolve siya into a songwriting competition, and apparently now it's called Legacy Duos. So there will be duos that will be competing, that out of the 12,000 songwriters more or less that auditioned and sent their tapes, luckily there are 12 of us nga nakasulod sa muna nga competition, puro original songs. And I'm so proud to say na I believe, no, people sa my comment section below, they can educate me. If I am wrong, I'm open and receptive towards that. Nga, this is the first ever full-length Hiligaynon song that has been performed sa isa ka national level singing and songwriting competition. I believe nga may mga nauna sa akon nga may mga hiligaynon terms such as Laon Ako by of course one of my mentors as well, Sir Elmar Jan Bolaño. But then the songs that we sang sa Your Song of Excellence, ang isa na dira is a full length hiligaynon. It's a first. And sa PhilSCAP, when I ask them, according to them, it's also a first for them nga makabati isang full-length nga hiligaynon all throughout the history of PhilSCAP. So, to me, it's such a win-win moment na nga daan dira pa lang. So, ayun.
Knowing the fact that you performed a full-length hiligaynon song sa stage nga na, how did they accepted it or how did they like it? Were they amazed? You know, the common questions that we get. Because it's hiligaynon, it's not Filipino song. Anong ila reaction upon hearing your songs?
Siguro without necessarily spoiling, what I can say is that music is indeed a universal language. That with or without necessarily understanding the context of the song, your body, your entire persona will let you know how you will feel. You can interpret it any way you want it naman. So, without spoiling, I have achieved what I needed to achieve that time.
Maybe you can talk about PhilSCAP as well because that's pretty interesting man eh. PhilSCAP is, of course, it's the parang it's the watchdog of the how do I describe PhilSCAP? But it's an institution nga well respected yet, giving a lot of credits and giving a lot of baga
protection
when it comes to songs
and the songwriters. Themselves.
Tell me about your experience with PhilSCAP.
It's very new to me. Actually, medyo nagaka-overwhelm pa ako because I'm kinda expecting nga matapos ko post tanan nga PhilSCAP photos before magwa ang YSOE. But it just so happened nga nag-overlap ang timelines mo. And I'm quite surprised and I don't know how to handle it. So, you know, amazing because as an artist, we should be kumbaga like a sponge. Absorb lang kita sa learning. And since I was a kid, nga nasanay ko gani sa competitive singing, I used to understand and believe that when you sing, or even in general, as a Filipino individual, always, ginabutang sa mindset natin nga, you should give it your all. Or else, you're no good at all. So like, I have that mindset entering PhilSCAP, no? Because whenever I sing here, like, tanan, even ganyan maghigda pa. Yun. So like, the greatest learning was, hindi sa tanan ng oras, the all out will be the best interpretation. And then, the moment that I accepted that, that's when I told myself and realized that, Sky, you really are becoming an artist. So yon, because it's not about fulfilling yourself anymore na mo. Kay, di ba, kay likis ako matapos kita kanta man, kita, yes, I am so satisfied because I gave it my all. Because but it's different kali. You should satisfy the arrangement. And you should satisfy the music, not yourself, above anything else. So, that's what I've learned the hard way dito.
Okay, I have this one specific question, my personal curiosity. Because as you know, I've been in the music industry man, not as an artist, but probably sa back end nga side, no? Like sa producer nga side or sa events. Ang question ko is, you know, there are a lot of individuals nga create songs. Technically, they love composing, they love their craft as musicians, as singers. Do you think it is really necessary to, you know, well, I know it is, but you know, some people are very, hindi sila mag-venture sa Manila. I mean, they wanted to really start here. Nga diri lang sila. Ang akong question is, nga, tika mo, di ba, naghimo ka mo sang songs nyo, may mga own ka mo, compositions, series of songs na, damo man diri nga may ara diri pero ang ilang nga visibility is within Iloilo man nga kung hindi pa kita mag-create sang activity hindi pa mabatian ng ila tingog, hindi pa mabatian ng ila kanta. So ano ba do you think do you advise them to really okay dapat join kamo sa mga contest national nga para visible man kamo didto mabatian ang mga songs nyo. I hope you get what I mean.
Yes,
Because you know,
super.
damo kita nagmi nga mga composers, mga artists, diri nga may original tracks na produce na, pero hindi pa siya hindi siya mabatian in other platforms. Aside kung mahimo kita sang own nga events. You know what I mean? Like EBAP, for example, we create an event for them and then we invite guests to come. So ang inyo nga case daan is nag-join ka mo dira pero at the same nangita man kamo sang pamaagi nga mabatian kamo yan sa national.
Yes.
So maybe you can inspire others man kung gusto gid nila nga.
Siguro ako mauna.
Sige
Ah,
po.
sige.
Kasi mas damo pa ba si Charles? Siguro I'm gonna ground us to it is with what I have learned as well from my colleagues there. I'm gonna ground us to like it's a combination of working hard firstly. Syempre, hamba ko gani, we should make things happen for ourselves and not just wait for opportunities. Second thing is paswerte-swerte.
Okay.
As in, like, see, I mean, even, I don't believe na kami ni Jasnel supposedly ang mahatag sang advices for this because wala man kami hit,
Okay.
diba? Pero, this is a testimony and a testament that we really are trying. We really are trying. And it's a combination of working hard and luck. Nga, kung para si mo, gidya. Wala kami may gina-follow nga timeline. Kay kumbaga, may ara, gidya, para sa imo.
Mhm.
So, parehas for example, Ate Chara Shea, one of our colleagues nga may entry sa buong Sahimigandog, shout out to Huwag Paglaruan by Fana and Taliwala by Noah. No? Si Ate Chara, she even mentioned, alam mo, si Dionela, ang number 1 sa buong. Alam mo, nung una pa lang alam ko na talaga that he has something. That this kid has something. Because like us, we have IBAP here, Iloilo Music Scenes, in the collective, and a lot of communities that spearhead the pop-up gigs. Sa ila may raman to. And she said, dugay na nabatian si Dionela and their friends. And I think mas dugay pa gani sa industry si Ate Tiara eh. But both of them, hard workers. Kumbaga, it's just nga nauna swertehan ang tracks ni Dionela. Hindi naman ma-invalidate ang efforts ni Ate Chara because nakita ko mismo sa mata ko kung anong mga napundar niya eh. All of us are waiting for our own hit.
Mhm.
So, just keep on working hard because just as long as you're consistently working hard, your time will be there waiting for you. Ayun.
Yeah. So it's like free-flowing lang man sa gihapon pero at the same time, you also add ang effort nyo man nga to be seen eh. Kaya tingin nyo, lagi na pinapabayaan yung flow nyo, sige-sige lang kamo gapon, pero at the same time, you also put an effort, make an effort nga, if may chance nga maka-intra ka mo sa mga,
Why not?
diba? Tama. Yeah. I just wanted to ask that because you're one of the composers or musicians diri nga I can say nga okay, very aggressive when it comes to joining contest. So which I think need man goro mabatian sang iban nga hindi lang bala enough nga social media lang. Well, social media is a big thing, but it should be may dapat may another platform pa gid. Just may add ka.
Actually, yeah, may ara ko. Yeah. I very much agree gid ya kay Kuis kay saging share niya nga. There are a lot of like sagad and great artists sa Iloilo pa lang.
Yes.
Pero muna like maybe that ang timeline nila hindi lang gid guro subong. But the thing is, and I've learned this also sa Phil's Cup and the journey sa Manila in the YSOE. is we need to continue to do our passion, gidya. Regardless kung ano pamandaya ang situation mo subong.
Kung
Ba-
magdaog ka man or hindi ka magdaog,
Hindi ang
padayonan mo.
yes. And kumbaga sa amon, kumbaga I consider this like a privilege sa amon nga we love to do this stuff.
Mm-mm.
Amon na nga grabe kami ka ano, ka-passionate kay it feels like we're not working. Duga enjoy lang kami. And na-realize naman, ay, ari na tagali sa ano, sa Manila, kanta ano, kumbaga sa iban pa, kanta-kanta lang. Kanta-kanta lang. Puro ari kami sa Manila
Being flown for free.
for free. Like, though, ano, gud siya, it's a dream come true. Gud siya, like, kadto ka sa Manila
Para mag-perform.
para mag-perform your own songs in your own dialect.
Yeah.
Like, it's a very groundbreaking. What I really admire sa amon nga duwa is like we like to push each other's gidya boundaries. Pero kumbaga push it in a way nga we exceed each other's expectations. Like amo gid kami na amo na siguro like we ang amon nga chemistry ni Kois is amo it's a very it's a paradox gidya. Pero somehow we push each other to the point nga ano bala amo na gani nga dumaaway na lang kami. Pero it's not for, kumbaga, it's not for ourselves man eh. It is for the team. And that is what I really admire man sa amon
Yeah.
nga as an artist. So, amo na nagaling kay mo man na, like, kumbaga, another reality slap man sa akon sa Manila is damo gidya like there are a lot of great artists unheard.
Mhm.
Siguro we're just on our right timeline lang siguro. Everyone has a right timeline. But the thing is you need nga padayon lang
You
gid nga
just keep going.
keep going until nga when the time is right ready ka na.
Organic. Yeah, that's very
Uh-huh.
nice. And thank you for the insight.
Lastly na lang gite, kay like just mentioned about pushing each other, I would really want to emphasize and to highlight nga amo ni duwa ka things. Visibility alone is such a huge kickstart and privilege just as long as you know how to use it, just as much as pressure.
Mhm.
If someone is pressuring you, parehas mo ni Jazz, hambaya, we push each other to the point nga dumaaway kami. But that's not intentional nga like I push you to hurt you. No. We push each other, we pressure each other to make things better, to find better options, to become better artists. And it's no way na we push each other to intentionally put them down or hurt them.
Mhm.
So kumbaga, the pressure that we push towards each other and within our circle, you know, people should see that as privilege because we care enough for each other to push each other's boundaries to try to achieve more. So, ayun, I really would
Mm.
want to emphasize that.
Yeah. Well, thanks for adding.
Mm.
And thank you sa insights nyo and for sharing to us your experiences. Mga, I don't know, may pasalamatan ka mo, maybe you have your sponsors, mga tao nga nagbuling sinyo. So, it's your time to
Sure.
thank them.
Kung may malipat ko, ikaw bahala. Pero like, syempre, of course, firstly, special mention kay Sir Sam Salva, kay Mim Sumagaysay, for most of the gigs that we have there.
Mhm.
Of course, Millennia PH, as well as sa may, ano nga tawag dito? Millennia PH and Aspalto Productions. Damo to sang bands nga naka-jam namon that night, but ang nadumduman ko lang is ang Vandalism. Sorry kay kumaga sila gid ang pinaka-interactive with me right now. So special mention sa Manila Bands. I'm really hoping to be able to collab with you real soon. As well as syempre may Songwriters Night Select Batchmates 2024. Isahon ko na lang yung special mention to all of you. Yun, sa may staff sang PhilSCAP because they've been very accommodating, gidya. Si Miss Dara, actually sa sobra ko ka Sabad, there were points nga gina-award no ko nila. So sorry, Miss Dara and si Miss Angel. May mga sang nagpululi daan tanan ng Iloilo, di ba? Nagpuli sila kay naka-schedule, kay gin-move ang concert. Duwa lang kami ni Jazz gato bangay sa hotel ate. Di like super like, oh my God, so sad naman. Do like boring. So, gin-try ko prank ang staff sa Phil's Cup and I was awarded. Very good. Hindi na ako magdiwat. At the same time, Sir Butch, Miraflor, napakaraming learnings talaga. Coach Yeng, very kind, very, ano nga tawag dito? Attach, hindi attach ang term. Ar balang gatry gid siya mag-make way to be able to communicate with you just to make your arrangements and things better. Nagahimo gid siya connection. And yun, staff ng Phil's Cup, Miss Mariel, Miss Angel, Miss Hazel, thank you so much. Staff naman sang YSOE, si Sir Del, very accommodating, Ma'am Shaira, and ang mga makeup artists dito. Ang matandaan ko lang si Sir Mama Jacobo. Ayun, because as much as possible, ginatry ko gandiya sila pangilalakon. Kag of course, ang ano pa ba? Ang Chocolatey Productions, may tani kami gig sa may Makati, sa BGC. But then wala na kami kakadto kay since nga na-move ang ang concert, so we have to adjust our schedules. Ayun, Team Yang, special mention, Bench, Renz, The Queens, grabe. Sa gamay lang namon nga at time, naka-develop, kami sang family, nga like, sang nag-concert kami sa Phil's Cup, they all went there. Diba? I mean, grabing support si Nanay Evangeline, ano pa ba? The Queens, Unexpected Duo, kag si Marik and Crisel. Thank you so much. Team Jebs, hello, Hara Najib, come on. Kagang sponsors diri sa Iloilo which made things happen. Local wear brand nga gin-embrace gin nila kami because mula na gani just because they're thankful nga ginasuksok na mo nila bayo. So thank you so much for allowing us nga i-represent in your brand. Bello Aesthetic Clinic yon can be located sa Merrimart. So ayun, currently may mga injectables sila to, vitamin C, L-carnitine, everything. Ano pa ba? Of course, tanan mo na bayo. Ano nangyari? Jill Palmares na iya, tanan mo na bayo. So thank you so much, Dad, for your generosity. Thank you so much. And of course, our PR manager, Char, Miss Gina Juarez. Ever since 2019, kilala kami ni Ate Gina. And like, yun, she has always been supporting artists, even though nadula ko bala. Tapos like, she welcomed me back open arms. So, ayun. Ano pa, may nalimtan ko. Ay, Bap, of course, we should not forget Nong Marcos. Sino pa? Nong Jonas for the busking opportunity sa Manila. And Ma'am Shai. Yan, New 5PH. Ano pa ba?
Oo, natanan na siya.
Mention ko na tanan. Kinanglan ko. Kag something nga abangan nyo, I'm currently in an agency. Ma-live stream kami, which is Popo. KIM, agency ata. And then, I also have another one. Pero wala ko pa na process. Kaya ginahulat ko pa mabot ako ng mga gamit. So, yes. Thank you. Kaya Tichara for welcoming me sa inyo balay.
Alright.
Actually nambal mo na tanan. So,
inspiration ko nga, nakasulat ka new songs. Ano?
Ay.
Shout out mong mga ex.
actually nambal na tanan ni Sky ang
Okay, so anyway, thank you again
Yay.
for this time. Salamat. Kag hopefully we can have some more activities like this. Who knows? Sige, this is a trial activity, but hopefully we can make this right and see you soon.
Yay.
Youth First Initiative, Produkto Lokal, Our New Bahay. Bahay ni Kuya. So, #Hiligayon on Pop Culture.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Driven, and see you soon.
See you soon.
Bye.
I love